according to an ancient proverb. Rhythm is the basis of all life. The three forces of creation, preservation and destruction have a whirling dynamic interaction. The power of three. At a time when most parts of the world were enjoying financial inclusion, rural India was still struggling to access basic banking services. But who knew that 28th August 2014 would mark a new dawn in the history of Indian banking with the launch of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. And so, the full force of the power of three unfolded seamlessly as we saw how the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana fulfilled the rhythms of creation, preservation and destruction. It smoothly created savings bank accounts for innumerable Indians who were once alien to the very concept of banking. It created the potential of making every Indian citizen a bank account holder and went beyond by opening the doors to added banking benefits like loan, credit and insurance for the economically weaker sections of society.
इस प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना के माध्यम से हम देश के गरीब से गरीब लोगों को बैंक अकाउंट की सुविधा से जोड़ना चाहते हैं। आज करोड़ों करोड़ों परिवार हैं जिसके पास मोबाइल फोन तो है लेकिन बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है। यह स्थिति हमें बदलनी है। देश की आर्थिक संसाधन गरीब के काम आए, इसकी शुरुआत यहीं से होती है। यही तो है जो खिड़की खोलता है।
In keeping with the rhythm of life, along with creation, came the dynamic interaction of preservation. The scheme preserved the use of plastic money, and in doing so, it changed the face of the Indian banking and financial system. RuPay debit cards issued under Jan Dhan accounts have enabled billions of people to carry out cashless or digital transactions anytime, anywhere, and the results are nothing short of amazing. States like Goa, Kerala, and union territories like Chandigarh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry achieved 100% financial inclusion in a very short span of time. However, the whirling forces of nature dictate that every act of creation is first an act of destruction, as said by Picasso. Jan Dhan Yojana destroyed the role of middlemen. This was effectively done with the introduction of local bank representatives called Bank Mitras, who facilitated banking in the remotest unbanked areas of the country. The first of its kind initiative made sure that middlemen do not exploit the poor by pocketing heavy debts from them. With the opening of approximately 28 crore bank accounts, 63,960 crore bank deposits and 1.26 lakh Bank Mitras, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme is a masterstroke that revolutionized the Indian banking system. And thus, the swirling ebb and flow between the three forces of creation, preservation and destruction continue to rhythmically form the basis of all life.